Here I've got OnePlus 60 and let me show you how to insert SIM card to the following device. So at first switch off your phone, tap on power key, hold it for a while and then tap on power off. Once it's off, take a wire to your hand and on the left edge of your phone you will have the tray for the SIM card, so just push it to the special hole and take off the tray. Here you can insert 1 or 2 SIM cards as you wish. So let me put it correctly, just make sure to have the special edge, the specific one correctly. So let me put it here and now insert it to the OnePlus. So just push it and then switch off your phone, sorry. Wait until it's turned on. And that's it. Now you can enter the PIN code and start using your device normally, so you can make phone calls, send messages and all the others. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.